least for the time being. Remy and Emil must be out on Saturday. Look, and he's just meeting with people right out here. Oh, that's cool. A little impromptu meet and greet over here. Yeah, I'm down with it. Alright, let's do this. Alright, thank you. That's a good one. Bye. Emil's whisker poked me in the face. We're gonna meet the Easter Bunny in Disney World. And Mrs. Easter Bunny. I did not even know she was a thing that existed. I like that Bunny Lane Garden is decorated with fun colored birdhouses and some pretty blue flowers up there. Those are not blue, those are purple. They're in the hue of a bluish color. Got some Easter lilies for the Easter bunnies. Oh. Oh, you giving her bunny ears? She does, she does. Oh, there we go, there we go. Thank you. Thank you. One of my goals for living here has been to meet all the different random characters and kind of experience all the different seasons. And you know, I wanted to meet the Easter Bunny, but I didn't know that it was going to be that much of a pleasure.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was very fun.
They were both very cute. They were very fun.
They were. Today only, there is a special situation at the Haunted Mansion. And this guy, being a big fan of the Haunted Mansion, you know we gotta go check it out.
I had to bust out the old school magic band.
Oh. The actual queue is 35 minutes, not so bad. There's some different lines for different things. Let's hop in one of them. We're in line to get a Hatbox Ghost photo. But what if what we really wanted was a souvenir penny? It would be a very inconvenient thing to get today. I mean, I guess it's very convenient that they are hitchhiking ghost pennies here. Alright, it's our turn. So that's what it's gonna look like? Oh, that's what it's gonna look like.
Alright, look right here. Matthew and I don't share. You and I share, but Matthew and I don't share. That's right.
Outside of Memento Mori, they've got a fun display.
Welcome to Memento Mori.
Oh, look at that!
Walking special on photography is 1313 plus tax today.
Oh, that's cool.
Alright. Cool. Just made a loop through Memento Mori. We were only inside there a couple days ago. It seemed pretty much the same. But I do see some cool, slightly cast members, so let's go say hi to them. Next stop, Midnight Fright Delight Brookie? I feel like the way they spell it is different than it's normally like a brookie, but that's like a browkie. Cookie baked within a brownie, topped with a Haunted Mansion clock, chocolate piece, and an almond macaron. $7.50. There it is. It's 13 o'clock somewhere. Did I just name the title of our video? No. No, I didn't. Ooh, look at that side goodness. That cookie and brownie. It's like the best of both worlds. All right, you ready to give it a whirl?
Good. It's cool looking. I don't know, it's not bad.
You know what I want to have as a dessert? Something that Jeremy says, it's not bad.
I think you'll like it more than I will. Seems more up your alley than mine.
It's like mostly brownie with a hint of cookie. It's so good. I really like this one. They've got a line over here for a hitchhiking ghost photo. They've got a line over here in front of the tombs outside of the exit for a photo that says Tomb Sweet Tomb. You get to hold a sign. All kinds of good stuff going on at the Haunted Mansion. We're now waiting in line to get our hitchhiking ghost photo. I've never gotten one. Have you ever gotten a hitchhiking ghost photo?
I think we did, like the very first time we came.
Oh, maybe.
I think so, but not since then.
I think actually you might be right.
But it was just one of the ghosts. Didn't they do all three of them during Halloween or right now?
Ah, all the facts this one has. It's our turn. Got that photo. Now we're in line to get our picture in front of the tomb with the Tomb Sweet Tomb placard. That's a good one. That's a good one. Thank you, Billy. That was pretty amazing.
That was really good.
What do you think your favorite thing has been so far?
That one.
I haven't seen the Hot Box. I would agree. I don't know, the Hot Box Ghost one could be pretty cool.
Yeah.
What do you think?
But we had a butler this time.
It's true. There is now a picture inside the ride.
We got it last time.
We did. We've already gotten it last time we were here. So if you want to see it, I'll leave a link up here.
Well, folks, we are the Cadaver Bands, the finest singing cowboys this side of the Pecos. Bill Restaurant's over that way. Fine Vittles. Fine Vittles, that's right. And the next song we're going to sing is one of my personal favorites. The Cannibal was 8 before he was 7. Is it too early for math? No, that's not what they want to hear, fellas.
Nope.
I got the song they want to hear. It's a lovely romantic ballad, simply entitled, How Can I Miss You If You Won't Go Away? He was playing on Tennessee, it was a name that stirred me, but here's the thing he never could explain. Why do they call me a tenderfoot? 'Cause my feet aren't tender at all. I've been riding in a saddle much too wide for me to straddle. Now when I sit down, I doggone nearly fall. I nearly fall. Oh, for crying out loud! Cowboys don't cry, especially dead ones. Yo, baby, baby.
Cadaver Dans are still singing, but we got time to use a fast pass. And you can't have Haunted Mansion Day without going on the Haunted Mansion. I got excited because I thought that it just played a special song just for today. Because I thought it went ding like the fast pass does and then went woohoo. But apparently it always does that and I just never noticed. Thanks, Jeremy. We've now ridden the ride, got our cool photo inside again. I think the only thing we have left to do is wait until dark so we can get a cool photo with the nighttime things. We hopped in line for the lantern photo and a few minutes later now it's like all wrapped around. It's a very long line now.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we lucked out. Even ducks have to celebrate Haunted Mansion Day. I'd like to think that we keep seeing the same duck couple all over. They're just having a blast on their Disney date night. This is an angle of the Haunted Mansion I usually don't see, usually don't pay attention to because we are usually walking that way away from it.
It's great to see you again.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming back.
Yeah,
All right,
thanks.
right on the castle there for me. And I want you to put your hand up. Bring it forward like you're going to take it, okay? And, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so scary. Good.
That one was very fun. That was a good photo. So there's one other photo with this light effect here. The line is very long though, and I think of the examples that we saw of the photos online, I think it's the least favorite.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have gotten that line first because it was very short, and this line is about the same as when we got into it now.
It's clear.
Oh, never mind. We did it right. We did it right. We'll skip the other one. It has been such a pleasure today. I wish we could celebrate Haunted Mansion Day every day.
Agreed.
Or maybe next they could do, say, the People Mover Day.
I'd also be okay with that.
Thank you for coming along with us. Just so you know, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, we probably will only have a couple videos out this next week. So make sure you hit the notification bell so that you find out when we do have videos. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
There'd be so many cones at People Mover Day.
Oh, there would, he's right.